username password every time for login. Certain application we use it today and after 1 year we use, right? And giving same username password for all application is big blunder, right? If you have caught in one place and you will be misused in all the places, right, boss? So instead of that, every day we use Gmail, Facebook, they have a proper authentication environment, right? So why don't we use these login IDs as identity of those application which we use once in a while? So I want to book the ticket in Red Bus, but I don't want to create separate sign up in what Red Bus. I don't want to have separate sign up in what Red Bus. Okay, what I want to get into Red Bus application with the support of what, guys? Simply with the support of what? I want reply, guys. I want to get into what? I want to get into Red Bus. Simply with the support of what? Facebook identity or Gmail identity or what? LinkedIn identity. So that will be good or not there, guys? Yeah. Yeah. Roshan, please come. Yeah. Yeah. We have one student with us who experience or fresher.
1 year.
Yeah, shown 1 year gap as experience and got job in MNC. I cannot take the MNC because it's a gap as experience. It's a good company whose name starts with H. Okay. Fine. You keep guess and you keep understand what is that. So yeah, he was the student of Naresh IT and all my batches. And he also worked as a lab mentor for a few days. Maybe your batch students are aware or not there. Okay. So when I think a few days back, I have done Pune trip. Okay. There I met him. But his original location is Hyderabad, but somehow he's working in what? Pune branch. So he shifted back to what? Hyderabad. And he came to meet me, and I'm introducing you people so that you will learn something from his journey. Right? And he's originally from Chhattisgarh. Originally from what? Chhattisgarh. Fine. Listen to his story from his words.
So hello all. Maybe a few of them knows about me. So myself Roshan Kumar Gupta. I am from Chhattisgarh. I graduated in 2022. After that, I decided that means I have to do something different. Means I was not from the CS background, so I decided that means I need some kick in my life. So I need to learn some different things. So after that, I decided to go in IT field. So I came to know about the Naresh IT, then came here. So I got means I got to know Hyderabad is a little bit affordable. So I came here. After that, I completed my core Java, advanced Java, then Spring Boot, and microservices from the sir. So uh, after completion of the all those trainings, I was searching for the job in Amirpet in high tech city, and I got so depressed. Means literally I got so depressed at the time. Means and my personal experience is who is in Amirpet, don't listen to them. They are saying like there is no job, there is blah 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 thing. So don't listen them. Be focused. Train yourself. Focus on your skill. Definitely you will get the job. So after that, I joined here as a Java mentor. Means hope some guys remember me. So I worked here as 1 year. Uh, then suddenly I got to know that HCL Tech is conducting drive. So I went there just for fun only, and I got selected. So After that, I went to the Pune, and after 6 months, I came here because of my project. So that's it. That's it about me, and that's all. And one more thing for you guys. Means whatever Natraj sir is teaching, be focused, be punctual on the class, because whatever he is teaching, whatever you will do in the company, same thing. Means whatever he'll teach, whatever the main thing is common classes. Don't miss the common classes, and REST APIs microservices class. Don't miss. Means in the if you will go there is as a fake experience, you will show gap as experience there. So you should know about this all the thing. Means you should have your basic clear. After that only you can go there. Means whatever, means in which place today I am, it's because of him, because of Natraj sir. And even you will not believe, means if you will go to any company and if you will ask, do you know Natraj sir? So definitely one and two hand will be raised. Even my capability trainer, that means a corporate trainer, he was Natraj sir's student. So you guys don't know about him. He's the big name in the India or in the world. So package by two men don't ask their package, and two girls don't ask their age. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Welcome.
One more guy.
No, no. Can you come on Monday morning hours?
Before 9.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
You come by like 8:30 like that. I'll introduce two batches, 8:30 batch and 9 batch.
Yes.
9, the moments immediately I'll introduce and you can go to office.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Right. Hmm. Who is speaking? Some ghost. Okay. That's good. Fine. So what I'm saying is try to show gap as experience. If door is not opening as a fresher because of a number of reason. The reason could be what? Your profile problem, or you are not good in what? Aptitude reasoning or English for group discussion. So whenever that is not happening, my suggestion is what? Always prefer what? Showing gap as experience. I was about to call you, man. Come. Right. This is another inspiring person. Okay. You know him? Why you are not motivated from him then? Okay. Yeah. He has shown 3 years gap as experience and he got 9 lakh package. Okay. And he's working for an MNC. And you don't know. Okay. That fellow and this fellow both are working for same company. Okay, but you don't know either no, because both are no unknown to each other. Maybe in future they may met each other, right? Yeah. He's from Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. His English is not so good, but still he has not given up. He tried again and again and he got job with a good amount of package, 9.5 lakhs for 3 years. Right? Fine. No, I declared just in the beginning, before batch, I declared him as student of 2025 in my batches. Student of the year. Okay? Because you listen to him, you will understand why I declared him as student of the year.
Hi everyone, my name is Fahad Jafar Khan. I am a Java full stack developer with over 3 years of experience. My technology Java, Spring Boot, microservice, and My front-end side like JavaScript, React, and also know Angular. And my DB side like PostgreSQL, MySQL, and Oracle DB, and also know MongoDB. And this is my technology. And I am glad to hear. I am very happy. Today, I am explaining about my journey. I am come from 2022 in Hyderabad, and I am joined like one course as a Java full stack developer from Naresh IT. After I am very confused how to get job as a fresher. I am very very confused. But after core Java and advanced Java and everything front end, then come Nitraj sir. Nitraj sir is like angel, like Farista. This this guidance I improve. Under guidance I improve my skills. And as a Java full stack developer, I am learn technology like Spring Boot, microservice, and real time project from Natraj sir. And still I am confused how to get job. But one day I joined like a GRTP course. Sir, explain ideas how to put like experience choke gap, everything clear, clear roadmap, then apply. One day definitely I getting job. I am very happy. Appreciate our team like Naresh IT. Also, I am also appreciate Natraj sir. Is very hard working from about a student. Uh, Thank you so much, everyone. Yeah, follow Natraj sir instruction, and uh, seriously follow to Natraj sir instruction enough for getting job. Similar work. Sir, every day coding similar look like every code like पका के तुम्हें दे रहे हैं, मतलब सर पका के तुम्हें दे रहे हैं, बस तुम्हें खाली पुट कॉपी पेस्ट करना है, कुछ नथिंग, मतलब इजी हराम, मतलब आराम का पैसा है बिल्कुल। क्योंकि एमएनसी में मैं गया कोई वर्क नहीं, नथिंग एनी वर्क, एवरीथिंग 15 years गाय, यू कम टू हेल्प, यू आर आस्क सम एवरीथिंग डू दैट लाइक seniors, your seniors. My assign like a real time project like at Kotak Mahindra. Yeah. So everything built, but only call maintenance for me. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you. Not Natraj sir, all stars are good. Okay, fine. I think you by this time you realized why I declared him as what? Student of the year 2025, right? So not so great in communication skills, but confidence is good. How many rejections he might have seen, how much inferiority complex he might have got, whether he will get job or not, but he has not given up. He tried, and one day he got the success. So that's why I declared him as what? Student of the year. So many people, they have a subject, they have communication, but they are lazy to work hard and to go to interviews. So at least look at him, and he motivates you a lot, right? So the people who are not getting job as fresher, forget about it. Try 20 interviews, not working out, fine. Think about showing gap as experience. That is enough. That for that one, no need to worry about openings are there or not there. Always market is good for what? Experienced people. Right? Congratulations once again. Okay. But our mehnat karna padta. And you have to work on your communication skills also. Next time when I invite you, you should speak in English very fluently. हिंदी में कैसा बात करता है ऐसा बात करना. My Hindi or your English both should be improved. मेरा हिंदी इतना बुरा नहीं है फिर भी. Okay, right. Okay, fine. Otherwise, we'll talk every day. You talk in English, I'll talk in Hindi. Either my English will be disturbed or your Hindi will be disturbed. Right? Thank you. Yeah, that's no, spoken English join करने से English अच्छा नहीं होता. Practice करना है. Daily you have to speak. Not in office, every day in your roommates also English. If you go to shop also English, give me 1 kg onion. No pass. Got it, na? Everywhere English. Definitely English will come. Right, thank you. Fake experience, they ask about real-time project. What the answer that time? There's a course called Java Real-Time Project. If you want to show gap as experience, more than 1 year, I suggest to join a JRTP batch. JRTP is always good to join. He's a lucky guy because once in a while I conduct JRTP. They give JRTP to me. It's not like that I don't want to conduct. Okay. But somehow he got the chance to attend what? Even JRTP batch. I think even that lab mentor also attended JRTP batch of mine. Fine. Whatever it is. Fine. See, if you join any coaching, English will not improve. Right? English will improve when you practice. Okay, today is not the day. Some other day you remind me. I have few tips how to improve your communication skills. But if I don't want to waste already 20 minutes gone. So today we'll go for what? OAuth. OAuth is nothing but open authorization. What we do here, we try to use Facebook, Gmail, LinkedIn, these logging identity as what? Our identity to operate various services in the application. Why, sir? And this helps us to implement SSO. SSO is nothing but what? Single sign on. What is there? SSO is nothing but single sign on feature. What feature, guys? Yeah, that's good. Let's see what we can do. When new batch starts for JRTP. Okay, I don't know. Yeah, where is this, guys? Save this. Class content, spring here. I think we have to get into common topics. Yes. Common topics. Hey, not this. Spring common topics. Not every common topic, guys. Okay. Ouath 2.x. Session 1. What, mama? You are late today? Huh? No, everyone goes for work only. Yeah. Will you do anything without work? Yeah. Check it out. Spring security with what? OAuth 2.x. OAuth, open authorization. OAuth 2.x in open standard and framework, providing third-party application services to client. Here client means our websites. Here client means not the browser and our website. Here client means our website. Okay, third party means what, guys? Facebook, LinkedIn kind of thing. Please change your context of understanding, right? Okay, security to client application using what? Third party application. Look at this Spotify application. It gives its own login facility. To implement this, definitely we need what? Spring Boot security, whatever we learned in previous classes. To implement this, we need what? OAuth 2.x. See, continue the Google. Already in your browser, Google is there. You continue the Google. Continue the Facebook, continue the Apple. Apple ID is also there. Okay, see. Suppose in your browser, Google is not already logged in. It will make you to log in. In your browser, Facebook is not already logged in. It will make you to log in, boss. That's the beauty. And you observe Spotify website, guys. Spotify website, spotify.com. Here is my Spotify.com. Here my DP is there. DP is there means already I logged in with what? Facebook. I said log out. I said log out. You will get a home page here now, boss. Yeah, here what is there? Sign up means registration. Login you observe. When you look at the login, I have an option of username. Then if you click continue, password. That means it's a creating username password specific to Spotify. I am not here. That can be done with Spring Security. We already discussed it, right? Okay, here I'm saying what? Continue with what? Facebook. Continue with what? Facebook. Already in this browser, I have already logged in with Facebook, guys. Okay. Do you want to continue as Natraz? Yes. Yeah. Do you want to continue as Natraz? Yes, I want to continue as what? Natraz. Yeah. Now, all the operation in this website, I will be doing with Natraz identity or not there. I will be doing with what? Natraz identity or not there. So this is the profile pic it has brought. This is the profile pic it has bought from where, guys? Okay, Facebook. This is the profile book it has fetched from what? Facebook or not there, guys. So that means Facebook identity has become Spotify identity or not there. So that means we have to integrate our website with what? Social media application. What application, guys? Social media application or popular application, so that we can use their login identity as what? Our client application identity. Not only for identity, but for other business activities also we can do it. So this is the agenda, single point agenda. So far we discussed about how to create a username password and how to log in with a username password of their own website. Today we are going to use how to use a third party application identity in our web application identity. This concept is called SSO, single sign on feature. What is that? You sign in with Gmail once, and that identity you can use in multiple places are not there. Already Google products are encouraging what? SSO. Google is having so many products now. YouTube, Google Translate, Google Drive, Google Classroom, Google's Lens, okay, Google Maps. Are you logging in every application separately? Are you really logging in every application separately? No. You are logging only for what? One time. You are logging only for what? One time. But you are using for multiple times or not there. You log in with the Gmail and that identity is in all, used in what? All Google Drive applications are not there. Is it not interesting, my dear? Come on. Got the clarity or not there, guys? So for security on application, this is for Ouath. Our projects are web application behaves like what? Client application, trying to use what? Services of third party application for security. Example, client applications are Swiggy, Zomato, Redbus, Abibus, Make My Trip, iMobile, Shadi.com, Book My Show, Amazon Prime, Netflix. Third party applications are technically called what? Authorization and resource server. Example for authorization resource servers are what? Facebook, Gmail, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, GitHub. I think Instagram is not having that facility, but I just written. Okay. Different client application listed above tries to use what? Third party application that are listed above for simplifying logging and what? Authentication activity. Try to understand the problem part, guys. Redbus separate login, BookMyShow separate login, Hotstar separate login. This is a traditional problem or not there. Solution. All the application is using what? Facebook or Gmail login for completing login activity. So all these people need to remember only Gmail username password or not there. And are you going to forget it, boss? No, because every day we check a Gmail. Every day we use Facebook. Every day we use other social media application. No question of forgetting. You use them once in a while or every day. But is there any question of forgetting them, guys? Is there any question of forgetting them, guys? Come on. While working with SSO, we are not giving third-party application like Gmail, credentials to our client application. Rather, by logging to third-party application, we are using that user identity to operate various services in the client application. To operate various services in the client application. Getting my point? Redbus, Book My Show, Hotstar. Redbus, Book My Show, Hotstar. Right, guys? Yeah. Authentication using FB login. Authentication using FB login. Authentication using FB login. Ouath 2.x supports SSO. That means by logging to one third-party application like what? FB, Google, we can log into multiple other applications like what? Redbus, Book My Show, and etc. By logging to Gmail account, we can start accessing what? YouTube, Google Drive, Google Plus, and what? Other Google services. What do you say, guys? Other Google services. Come on, my dear. Okay, now tell me here. Browser contact, client application. Browser contacts the client application. Okay, B. That's what you are done in Spotify now, boss. Browser is giving request to Redbus. Redbus is saying what? Go to continue as Facebook user. This shows Facebook login page are not there. We submit Facebook credentials are not there. Come on, guys. See. Okay, shows Facebook login. Okay, then browser completes Facebook login activity are not there. And now, okay, end user will do all operations on Redbus. Having identity of the Facebook user are not there. Yeah, see once again, A, browser contacts the Redbus. B, gets gets what? Facebook login. C, somehow end user complete Facebook login are not there. And because of that, Redbus will get what? Facebook identity are not there. Now end user will do lots of operation on what? Redbus application having Facebook user identity are not there. Simply literally having Facebook identity, all the operations will be completed are not there, guys. How much I talk, very simple, Babu. That the one you are enjoying as what? Login as Facebook user, continue as Google user is implemented because of what? OAuth 2.x. Technical aspects we have to understand. That is a use case. That's what I am saying. JWT is having its own importance. I am not saying, but after arrival of OAuth 2.x, when everyone is working with what? Third party application for login. So direct security is meaningless or not there. Okay, fine. It is very popular open standard for what? Securing application. Open standard. This can be implemented in Java domain, .NET domain. This is an open standard. Common for what? Everyone. It can be used and implemented in what? Any technical domain like Java, .NET, and etc. Okay. Spring Boot gives lot of abstraction towards using and implementing what? OAuth 2.x service. Very much implemented in what? Day-to-day activity applications like ticket booking applications, e-commerce applications, and what? Etc. Integration of client application with what? 2.x. Very easy towards what? Connecting and using third-party service. Not only for identity purpose, Redbus can use what? Okay, login user friends too for promotional activities. Yeah, you can get friends of the login user to send what? Promotional activity, but permission should be given. What should be allowed, what should not be allowed, we have to tell. Once you log in as a Facebook user in Redbus, okay, Facebook can tell you allow only to access email and friends. You allow to access personal information and what? Friends information. Based on that, it can do some promotional activities. Okay. This is not much recommended to what? financial service application like bank account creation, credit card issuing, etc. Because some third party services like SB contains lot of fake identities. You are allowing to open bank account based on Facebook identity. Then what happens? Lot of illegal activities will happen with those accounts are not there. Antisocial elements may use those accounts in a wrong way or not there. That's why you observe in Redbus, Spotify continue as Google, continue as Apple will be there. But did you say ICICI Bank continue as Facebook user? Purely they say bank related username password only you have to pass now, guys. Check it out. If they do, they will be the loser, right? Yes. ICICI Bank. ICICI Net Bank login. Here is what? Login. Yeah, personal login. Yeah, user ID password. Is there any continue with Gmail? Do you think it should be given? You should be given means you are Mahan Purush. Yeah. Yeah. Tell me. This is not much recommended to financial services application. Allows to implement what? SSO application as discussed above. If you enable OAuth 2.x based login activity in our client application, then there is no need of what? Implementing direct login separately in client application development. That's option, boss. Okay. You want to implement or not, that's up to you. If OAuth 2.x is used in fully in our client application development, then there is no need of implementing what? Security form, security LDAP, SIM security with the JWT separately is a thought. Whether you implement or not, that's up to you. Okay, na? Whether you implement or not, that's up to you. See, this ICICI bank form, guys. ICICI login, ICICI personal banking login. ICICI personal bank login. ICICI personal bank login. All third-party application or services like what? FB, Gmail provides two ways of interactions are not there. Number one, direct interaction for end user. Number two, interaction as what? Developer. Direct interaction for end user. Other one is what? Interaction as a developer. Okay. To use the services of third-party application directly as end user. Okay, we using FB directly or not there? Interaction as developer. Actually, Facebook we have seen only as end user so far, but we can also use Facebook as a developer. Then only I can integrate Facebook for what? Redbus. I can integrate Facebook for what? Some other application, right? Okay. Developers.facebook.com. Maybe you are not aware of this angle. One as user, check it out. Developers.facebook.com. Developers.facebook.com. Yeah, fine. See, guys, my applications. There are so many applications I created are not there. You try to create application, it will ask create application. Okay, application name. Like this, you have to create one application and you have to link with what? Redbus, our website. So that what happened? We can use its Facebook facilities in our what? Facebook offers so many facilities, guys. For example, XX I have taken. Next. Yeah, what are the different applications you want to create? Create and manage ads, create and manage application, access threads, launch game on Facebook, authenticate request data, connect with this. Many options are there or not there. You have to select one or other things, right? All 19 different types of applications, guys. Come on. Yeah, we'll do it seriously later. Don't worry. So so far you used Facebook as a end user, having one account, sharing photos, watching videos. Come on, commenting someone, getting scoldings from someone, liking someone, what is that? Stalking someone. Aisa no na, guys. But there's one more angle of what? Business angle, guys. For that purpose, you have to log in as a developer. That's why they have given one URL, developers.facebook.com. Yeah, Ouath 2.x implementation. First, register, register and provide user details with what? Authorization and resource server. This is my browser. Here is what? Authorization and resource server like Facebook. Array, take open account in Facebook. Ra. Already have one account, now you have one account, that one. It's a regular one. Already everyone does that. Already everyone did that work, not does, did. Everyone is having account or not there. A basic account, Ra Babu. Right now I have, what is there? Natraz, something is there, na? Yeah, something. Hussein, I got internship but unpaid. The question I got is, oops, controller versus rest controller, MVC, and about JWT with your guidance. I'm able to answer all the questions. Now you joined. Hussein, congratulations. I think controller versus rest controller, I think few days back only we discussed, I think 2 days back or 3 days back we discussed. Fine. Congratulations, Mr. Hussein Bhai. Yeah. Yeah. Register, login, provide detail, post, comment, birthday wishes, and sharing. Okay. Activities. Number 2. This is very important. Register our client application with what? Authorization resource server, third party or service to get client ID and secret ID. Listen. Redbus wants to use Facebook login to get into login into its application. First of all, Redbus should be registered with Facebook. Na? For that one, that too, Facebook offers so many services. Which service you want to use in Facebook? First, you have to log in with the Facebook as a developer. You have to create login application, some ID. Okay. In that process, you will get what? In that process, you have to give Redbus details. And after once Redbus is registered with what? Facebook login application. Come on. You will get username, password kind of thing. Not exactly username, password. Client ID and secret ID. And you have to use them in Facebook Redbus application development. So that whenever you say continue as Facebook user, okay, Redbus is identified with the client ID and secret ID in Facebook. Oh, this fellow is already registered. Let's allow him to enjoy our services. So this client ID and what? Secret ID or username password for Redbus to register with Facebook and to use Facebook services in Redbus. Same thing, na boss. Before enjoying bank services, you have to open account in bank or not there. And anything you do in bank, you are identified with the account number only, na boss. They don't bother about your name and address. They are bother about only what? Account number. They are seriously bothered about your what? Account number. Yes, my dear. Got the point, my dear? Yeah. This is my what, guys? Client application, our application like Redbus. Like what? Redbus. Give me 1 minute, guys. Got it, guys? Yeah. Yeah, this is my what, guys? Client application, like Redbus, right? Hmm. Client application like what? Redbus. Hmm. Yeah, Redbus is registering with Facebook now, boss. By submitting all the details, it is. I'll show at the end of the session. I'll show. And getting client ID and secret ID. So indirectly, we are making our Redbus ready to use the certain service of what? How does it know? So you want to use login service only. Just now I have shown a developers.facebook.com. There is an option of create application. There we have to select the type of the application. There you select login and related application now, boss. In that one, it will ask so many details. What is your website? Redbus.com. Come on. What is the URL? That URL will give. And once all the details are given, once we click register, it will generate what? Client ID and secret ID with respect to Redbus. And as part of Redbus application development, to use that Facebook authentication, we submit this client ID and secret ID are not there. We submit this client ID and secret ID are not there. So due to this, whenever we click on that hyperlink, so if in your browser Facebook is already logged in, it will tell, this I found, this user is already found. Do you want to continue like this? Not there. It will give Facebook login screen to log into Facebook. Right? 1 minute. Let me show that also. You go to Spotify, guys. Spotify.com. Here is what? Log out. Spotify.com. Here is what, guys? Log out. Simply log out or not there, guys. Simply log out. Simply log out. Okay. Now I go to Facebook, fb.com. Natraz Java Arena is there, but here I try to sign out. Log out. Okay. Fine. Now you go to Spotify.com. Here also log in now, guys. Log in. Continue with what? Facebook. See, it is giving login screen. It is not asking continue as Natras. Now the question is, I forgot. I think this is Natras World login. Definitely I will get wrong password. Okay, luck is good. Fine. Continue as what? Natras. So earlier this screen came directly because I already logged in. Right? So that means Spotify people already registered with the Facebook. That's the reason this identity is coming or not there. Yeah, that work we have to give it. Now think like a Redbus application developer, not Redbus end user. If you think like Redbus end user, it nothing. You have to think like what? Redbus application developer. Redbus application developer. Are you getting my point there, guys? Yeah. Tell me, boss. Next one. Next one. Validate end user and client application in what? Authorization and resource server. Okay, guys. Authorization and what? Resource server. Validate end user client application in what? Authorization and resource server. Facebook, Gmail, LinkedIn, etc. are the main two parts. Authorization server contains authentication logic. Resource server gives access to various details like what? FB user details, friends information, personal details, whatever it is. Okay, this is called this. Gives access to various details about what? Authenticated user. Facebook, Natras. Okay, if I give permission, Redbus can use my friend's information. Redbus can get my email ID. Redbus can get my what? Mobile number. But that I have to tell. That I have to tell That I have to tell while giving the permission, boss. Okay. Yeah, check it out. Overall, complete thing. Okay, just recollect. Number one, Facebook login is done. Login is done now, boss. When you give correct username password, okay. When I give what? Correct username password, okay. It is giving continue as Natrasana. Yeah, user request for user grant is like continue as Natras. Request for user grant is like what? Continue as Natras. I said, okay, go ahead. Then what is that? We providing grant. Two, asking it. Three, providing it. What is four, guys? Request for validating client ID, secret ID, and what? User. Request for validating what? Client ID, secret ID, and user grant. Say something, my dear. Request for validating client. Arey, once I say okay, already we are in red bus, na? Red bus is already submitting what? Client ID and secret ID, which he got after registration. Okay. It is checking. Facebook is checking. This fellow is already registered with me or not there. Yes, registered. Okay. The authorization server of what? Facebook is checking. Yes, correct. So once correct, one token, access token is given. What is this? Are during registration, okay, we Facebook we ask Facebook provide these details to this application, right? Okay, okay. Based on that, one access token is given or not there, guys? Yeah, number six. What is number six? Okay, what is number six, guys? What is number six, guys? Come on. Okay. Yeah, number six. What is number six, guys? Come on. Request for user data by giving access token. See, once identity are done, request for user data. Okay, it is the same Facebook resource server will be there where this login Natras, friends information, email information, some information will be there. Whatever allowed, that information will be given by resource server and that will go to Redbus. Redbus people can use for business activities or not there. Redbus can use for what? Business activity. Once again, feel it. That's why I wantedly have taken one example case. What is there? Okay. See, we logged out. We clicked on button, login with Facebook. Continue as Facebook. Fine. Okay. That you ask your username password. That is number one. Number two. One successful username password given. Continue as Natras has come. That is asking for grant. Number three. We said yes, go ahead. Yes, na boss? Granted. Come on, guys. Number four. What is number four, guys? Request for validating client ID, secret ID, and user grant. Once I say continue, Natras, who is going on behalf of Redbus, na? Okay, Redbus is already, it will carry what? Client ID, secret ID. Facebook authorization server takes them, verify. Okay, whether this Redbus is valid registration or not. Yes, valid. Okay. And I said continue as Natras, right? For this user, which permissions are there? Okay, having all the thing, it will give one access token or not there. To whom, guys? Redbus. So with this authentication part is over, SSO part is over. Okay. Okay. Now this Facebook takes that access token. So Redbus takes that access token, goes to whom, guys? Resource server. In the resource server, that Facebook login in user information, so many details will be there. Whatever allowed, that allowed information is taken and given to whom, guys? Redbus people. Given to whom, guys? Redbus people. Convinced or not, my dear? Got the clarity or not, my dear? Yeah. So this is about the whole mechanism that we have to worry about now, guys. Yeah. So this is about a whole mechanism that we have to worry about. Yes, guys, check it out. It is a responsibility of the developer to register client application like Redbus, Spotify with third party application like what? FB, Gmail to get the client ID and what? Secret ID. With respect to diagram. In browser, that is pointing to client application screen, Redbus screen. End user clicks on Facebook login. Client application makes you to provide login details of FB and to provide permission to use Facebook user detail. Request to access grant. Once Facebook login completed, continue as certain user. We can say access granted. Feel Spotify example. Number 4, client application goes to authorization server of FB of client application. User details validation by carrying what? Client ID and what? Secret ID. By carrying what, guys? Client ID and what? Secret ID. That's good. Client ID and what? Secret ID. FB authorization server validate client application and user provides one access token. What token, guys? User provides one what? Access token, which is valid for what? Current user and current client application to perform what? Certain operation in the resource server. If end user try to change it, then it will not work. That access token is very, very important or not there. Client application, nothing but Redbus, makes a request to resource server of FB having access token. Resource server of FB validates the access token, provides what? Required permitted user data to client application. Finally, client application gets the user data and uses that data to provide various services to what? End user. Everyone understanding? So here, what is the biggest task, guys? Not having account in Facebook, registering your application with Facebook. That too for login activity, right? That's the biggest task, right, boss? But right now we don't have Redbus. I'm assuming my Facebook application is going to run on what? Localhost 4041 port number. So I have to register that 4041 of localhost as a website or not there. Do I have a serious website, boss? I don't have serious website. So what I have to register, guys? Localhost 4041 I have to register or not there? I definitely need to register what, guys? Localhost 4041. This is paid or open source. Facebook use some paid services are there, some free are there. But people using Facebook login is a free service. People using Facebook login is definitely what? Free service, not a paid service. Got it? Yeah, definitely free service, not a paid service, guys. Now let's see. Developers facebook.com. Developers.facebook.com. My apps. Already created, all applications are coming now, guys. For different batches, I created different applications, right, boss? All application 15 is coming now. So I have to create a new application over here now, my dear. Definitely, I need to think about creating a new application. Okay, now let's see how to create a new application. Follow the procedure properly, guys. Yeah. Go to application, create new application. Home page, my apps, create app. Choose business type. Choose business type application next. Provide following details. What are the details I have to provide? Application name, email ID, create this. Gather client ID, secret ID of application. Okay, by doing this. by doing this. In document 2, more details are kept, don't worry. Don't worry, I'll show for Facebook, I'll show for what? Gmail. Remaining things you can work out. Logged in, tell me, register client application with this. Okay, getting this. You have to add some jars and other stuff. Okay, don't worry about that. You have to add some jars and what other stuff. Okay, while registration, you have to give these many details. Okay, create app. There's a new way of creating application. Okay, fine. That's fine. Application name. NIT. Okay, 718 FB application. Say next. Certain terms FB is not allowed. Okay, fine. Facebook is not allowed in the application. Say next. Okay, say next. Oh, yeah. Next one, all featured applications, guys. Featured application. Authenticate request data for user with what? Facebook login. I have chosen that one, boss. I have chosen this. Say next. Which business portfolio you want to connect this application? I don't connect to what? A business profile yet. Okay, fine. Say next. Business verification, application review. Okay, fine. Requirements. Overall view. Okay. App name is there. Application email is there. That's good. No business selected. Go to what? Dashboard. Go to dashboard. Unable to create this. Developers are allowed to create, manage 15 application without verified business attached. Remove existing application and try again, or connect verified business account, okay, to existing application. Nothing is there. Count is increased, guys. Already so many applications are there. Okay. It is worried about what? Client count is increased. Yeah, fine. Yeah. Otherwise, I have to go for business verification or application review. I'm not interested in all this stuff. Cancel it, guys. Yeah. There are many applications here. Let's remove few. Remove APP. Remove. Let me remove 1, 2. I hope you understood the basic mechanism, guys. Already we have enjoyed through Spotify what's happening. And I want to bring same thing with my noise. Remove application. Yeah, fine. Let's go for create application, guys. Create application. Tell me. NIT71 APP. Email ID is there. Use case, I'm looking for what? Authenticating with user data. Authentication request data from user with Facebook login. Definitely. That is what we are asking for. Do you have any business, guys? No. Business setting, create a new one. Okay, fine. No, I don't want to have business. Requirements. Okay, not there. Overview. That's fine. No business is selected. Business verification. Okay, fine. Create dashboard. Go to dashboard. It should take us to that application dashboard, guys. Yeah, welcome to application dashboard. Actually, entire GUI is changed. Add use cases, this, push one, this one, take a tour. Okay, let me take a tour. Dashboard. Dashboard is where you will find list of steps. Say next. Go to required actions. Okay. Add, edit use case. Complete verification. Access graph API. Okay, find business. Application review. And what? Publish. No, actually they changed entire things, guys, but no problem. Here something called app settings is there now, guys. Basic is there now, my dear. App settings basic is there. In this basic, come on. Yeah. Client ID has come, domains. It is asking for app domain or not there, guys. Yeah, okay, display name, app domains. You have to give the URL, right? Yes. HTTP localhost. I'm assuming my application is going to be on what? 4041 port number. Yeah, still application is not eligible for this. Currently ineligible for submission because of what? Icon is required. Policy URL is required. Okay. And category. Array, icon, contact, terms and condition URL. Policy URL, some policy, some dummy URL I have given. Right, boss? Next one, what is missing? App icon, where a category. This fall under which category? I am taking a business education category. Asking for image, boss. There should be one image. Earlier, this much headache was not there, guys. Nowadays, they are asking many things. Nowadays, what? I mean, they are okay. E-dry, class content, images. Okay, proper image. I think this is matching. This is matching. Save changes. Yeah, your submission is missing in the following fields. User data deletion. Where is this? Data deletion, callback URL. Yeah, some callback URL I have used, guys. Save changes. Okay. It's been created or not there, guys? In the modern settings, this is the diagram I have to use now, guys. Yeah, save changes. Okay. Client ID, secret ID, this is fine. Oh, others are disturbing. 1 minute. Little this side. This will upside. Upside, anything disturbed? Anything disturbed, guys? I'll put here. I'll put here. I think if I put here, any problem, guys? Still problem. Okay, otherwise we'll write old and new both. We will write both old and new. Yeah, in new environment. In new environment. Here is what? In old environment. Actually, you are least bothered about old environment. Same is there, but little GUI changes are there. Are you noticing there are little GUI changes, my dear? Old environment. Yeah, definitely. Go to the previous one. This one, guys. Say open. Yeah, simply what? Say open. All these are fine, great, fantastic. Yeah. Go to developer. This one, create app. But nowadays, if we create app, it is asking so much nonsense now, my dear. Yeah, 1 minute. This is old style. Okay, we have to give in new style also now, guys. Old style. Yeah, in new style. In new style. New style. Tell me. New style. Yeah, what is there? Go to FB developer URL. What is there? https:// what colon? .facebook.com. Developers.facebook.com. B. Create FB application. FB application. Okay. Click on what is there? My apps. There you click on create app. Okay, na? Right. Create. Complete the following procedure. Complete the following procedure to get the dashboard of the application. To simply get the dashboard of the application. There is something we have to do now, boss. Save changes. Save changes. But I want to go to my apps. Where is this? This is the dashboard. Fine. Yeah. Developer.facebook. This. Click on my apps. Click on create app. Simply what? Click on what? Create app. Tell me. So there, some ABC. Okay, only to get the screenshot, guys. Here, what you have to select, guys? Yeah, select this. Get the dashboard application, create app. Tell me guys, select this. What is there? Next. Followed by that, what is that one? Here we observe and we click on next. Selected this. Okay. Say what? Next. Next. What is the one I have to select? I don't want to connect to business profile. I don't want to connect to business profile. There we are, guys. Next. I don't want to connect to business profile. Next is there. Yeah, tell me next one. Yeah, do I say need to select anything? No. Next. What is there, guys? Next. Cut, paste. This is happening or not there, guys? I don't want to connect business, guys. Then tell me next one. Review. Review the inputs and go to dashboard. Review the given inputs. Where is that? Next. Click on go to dashboard or not there. Click on go to dashboard. Next, review the given inputs. Next, go to dashboard. What do you say, guys? It's really taking place here or not there, guys? That's good. Once we go to dashboard, guys, asking password. Okay, coming. Say submit for double confirmation. Yeah. Okay, now we have to collect the client ID and secret ID, na boss? Yeah, tell me. Collect the client ID and secret ID. Client ID and what? Secret ID. Yeah, we should know how to collect the client ID and what? Secret ID. Yeah, see guys, we got the dashboard. Okay, app settings, basic. App setting, basics. App setting, basic. Okay. From here we can collect the show. Secret ID is not coming. Reset. If you want, you can reset. Yeah, it's changing or not there, guys. If you want, you can hide it. That's not a problem. ABC, policy, URL, you have to fill up all of them or not there. Yeah, from there you can collect the client ID and secret ID. Fine, that's good. Collect. What is the process? Dashboard. What guys? Dashboard. Next one. App settings. App settings. Next, basic. Next, dashboard, app settings, basic. Tell me next one. Dashboard, app settings, basic. You will get the entire screen or not there, guys. Okay, 1 minute. Save this, guys. File, open. In second one, I have kept it now, boss. Save this. File, open. This. Yeah. This is the information or not there, guys. This is the information. I think here what is missing? App domains. HTTP localhost 404. HTTP localhost 404. Policies 4041. Okay, these are the things we have to fill up now, guys. Star. This is the another thing we have to fill up now, guys. Star. This is the another thing we have to fill up now, guys. Star. Star. Terms and condition URL, right? Terms and condition URL if you want to write. This is the one we have to select star. Yeah, this image also you have to select or not there. This image also you have to select or not there. Fine, that's good. Everything is given, but one thing is missing. Create app. Name of the app is there or not there? Name of the app, tell me. FB 718 app. FB word should not be there, sorry. Okay, FB word should not be there, right? NT718 app. It is asking email now, boss. Some mail ID you have to pass or not there. Okay, dot. In that process, you have to complete all this stuff or not there. You need to complete all these details. Yeah, this is the difficult part, guys. Sir, where you are going to specify this client ID and secret ID while developing your website, while developing our application. Okay, save this one, boss. Saved it. Go to second one. I just specify where it is going to be mentioned. How to develop this application, we will discuss later. Don't worry. And later we make same application connecting to whom, guys? Gmail also. Connecting to Gmail also. Don't worry. We'll also connect to Gmail. Yeah, check it out, guys. 4041 spring.security.oauth2. Client dot registration dot Facebook client ID. Facebook ID we are passing here or not there. Spring.security.oauth2. Client dot tell me, guys. Okay, guys. Spring.security.oauth.client. Registration.facebook. Client hyphen secret. This is client ID. This we collect from this we collect from. And what you want to allow? Scope. Which data you want to allow from logged in user? Email, public profile. Whatever public profile information is there, that and remaining things. I would like to allow that information or not there. So I think you got the clear-cut clarity, my dear. Come on. Yeah, domain name. I think here also missed, guys. HTTP localhost 4041. Array, now you assume 4041 is my red bus. Actually, if it is red bus, I would have given real red cell. Okay, 718 APP. Email ID is taken. Image is taken. Okay, these things will come automatically, guys. This is the one we have to type. This is the one more. Array, dummy URL, not compulsory. You have to type correct URL. That's the one thing. Next, URL also you have to type callback URL. What's the category? Education, anything you can take. This image also we have to keep it or not there. If you want any URL for mentioning terms and condition, you can specify them. You can specify them. This is the only headache part. Coding is easy. Once you provide that username password, you don't believe. And in security config class, somewhere OAuth 2 login is there. One method chaining method is there. You check it out. Yeah, here. HTTP authorize request anti-matcher / login home permit all. If these URLs are there, permit. Any other request authenticated. Any other URL authenticated. Now tell me. And dot form login, form shade. And dot OAuth 2 login. Form login will give form page for regular login activity, right? But this OAuth 2 login is there now, guys. We develop custom login phase having what? Hyperlink. No, not required. Not custom login page is not required. It will happily give one page, guys. It will happily give what? One page. And CSRF disable. You want to disable cross-site forgery or not? Dummy site forgery or not? You enable disable, that's not a big issue. Entire magic is there in what? OAuth 2 login or not there? Entire magic is there in what? OAuth 2 login. Everything we are going to do through what? OAuth 2 login. So now develop the regular controller class, guys. We have one home page handler method. We have one after login page handler method. One user login method. Here want to get that user details and password. That user detail, no need of login page. Earlier I developed my own login page, that's not required. OAuth 2 login will give built-in login page or not there. See guys, because of form login, this form page has come. Okay. But because of OAuth 2 login, this hyperlink has come. This page comes automatically. This boxes and this is asked because of form login. Today our focus is not on this. Our focus is on what? Facebook. This hyperlink comes in the form page because of OAuth 2 login. Okay, that will start the story. Either log into Facebook or continue on. You will get this. You will get gives us current user information. Same thing I want to do for Google also, guys. Process is there too for Google. So that means today just introduction is completed. The real practical is pending tomorrow or not there. Quite excited? You thought OAuth 2 means something great, but nothing is there. It is just there for what? Single sign-on operation. Enjoying the subject or not there? Okay, did you notice today so far you used Facebook as what? Developer. First time you are using Facebook as what? Sorry, as a end user you have used. First time you are using what, guys? Okay, guys. Yes, we're going to use as a developer. That's why I registered my local application with what? Facebook login and authentication activity are not there. I think yesterday we have not uploaded what? Material, right? Am I right? Yeah. Here is Natraz. Where is this? This one? Yeah, Spring REST, I think I have not uploaded. Uploaded? Not uploaded, guys. Old one I have uploaded. Class content, Spring 718, Spring Boot REST. What is the session number? XML data I discussed, not 6 only, 7. Yeah, it's a big session, guys. Fine. 6 is there, 7 not uploaded. Okay, fine, Ra. What is there? Okay, now I would like to upload this one also. 5th June 1. What is there? 5th June 1. Tell me, boss. Spring Boot REST or something else? No, Spring Boot Ouath. New folder. What is there? Spring Boot Ouath 2.x. Click on what? Create. Right click. Class content. Tools FS 905. No, not Tools FS. Spring. Common topics. Spring Boot OAuth 2.x. I'm uploading both, guys, who will spend again separate time for it. I think I have to upload even for other batch, guys. 11 o'clock, Natraz. What's up? 11 a.m. Yeah, here what is there? New folder. What is there, guys? Spring Boot OAuth 2.x. Create, guys. Right click, file upload. These two things. Got it? Thank you. Have a nice time. Tomorrow we'll meet at what time? 10 o'clock.